everyone. Hello students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay. Yes. Now we are going to discuss our lesson number 5, that is the yellow butterfly. Okay. आज हम क्या डिस्कस करने वाले हैं बेटा? Today we are going to discuss the yellow butterfly, that is unit number 5. Okay. So let us start our lesson. Okay. Now, देखो, a yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. So here, one little butterfly is there, or one tiny butterfly is there. So you can see that only this lesson is having one character. No doubt it is having two characters. That is a boy, that is his name is Sonu. Okay, and a butterfly is there and a spider is there. Last में a spider will come. Okay, chalo let us start it only. So a yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. So what happened? One day a yellow butterfly was there. Okay, and he was flying around in Sonu's garden. वो क्या कर रहा था? वो सोनू के गार्डन में फ्लू कर रहा था, फ्लाई कर रहा था. फ्लाई इज अ फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ड फ्लू. फ्लू इज अ पास्ट टेंस एंड फ्लाई इज द फर्स्ट फॉर्म. सो येलो बटरफ्लाई फ्लू अराउंड इन सोनू's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly, he ran to catch it. Okay, because you know that now that little students, or the little kids love the butterfly very much. Even I love them also. ओके, तो here what happens कि that सोनू saw that butterfly. सोनू ने देखा वो बटरफ्लाई को and then he ran to catch it. ठीक है, now सोनू wanted to catch that butterfly. सोनू को वो बटरफ्लाई पकड़ के देखना था, so that is why he ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. ओके, तो वो कहीं आपके हाथ में रहने वाला नहीं है. whenever you try to catch it ना, it fly away only. So your same thing happened. Then just सोनू केम टू कैच इट. द बटरफ्लाई फ्लू टू द रोज बेड. वो एक जाके रोज बेड के ऊपर. रोज बेड, व्हाट इज रोज बेड बेटा? रोज बेड्स आर नथिंग बट द पेटल्स ऑफ रोज. मतलब वो जाके किस फ्लावर के ऊपर बैठ गया? बटरफ्लाई रोज के ऊपर बैठ गया. ओके, इट सेट ऑन अ रेड रोज एंड द रोज वाज रेड. रोज कौन से कलर का था? रेड कलर का था. ओके, सो ही सेट ऑन दैट रेड रोज. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. So Sonu ने देखा that butterfly is sitting on that red rose. Okay, so now he is thinking like I am going to catch it now, because as it is sitting on the red rose. Okay, he walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly, because butterflies are very sensitive. When they will fly now, that you are going to catch them, then they will fly away only. So here also what Sonu did, Sonu now walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. सोनू धीरे धीरे उस बटरफ्लाई के पास गया उसको पकड़ने के लिए. He came closer and still closer, but then okay, now what happened? Okay, so Sonu now moving towards the butterfly slowly and silently. He went there, or he came closer and closer to the butterfly, and then what? फिर क्या हुआ? Off flew the butterfly. Suddenly, when the butterfly noticed that someone is coming for catching it, so then the butterfly flew away. Okay, off flew the butterfly मतलब उतने में butterfly उड़ गया. You can see in the picture that the butterfly is sitting on that red rose and Sonu's hand is there, and he wanted to catch the butterfly. He tried to catch the butterfly, but when the butterfly noticed that Sonu is coming to catch it, then it flew away. Okay, where did the butterfly go? कहाँ चला गया butterfly? Near the garden was a pond. Okay, तो near the garden. Okay, तो that butterfly was flying in which garden? Sonu's garden. सोनू के गार्डन में वो बटरफ्लाई घूम रहा था ना. हाँ, ठीक है, उड़ रहा था. So then that butterfly went to the near pond. Okay, there was a pond near the garden. Garden के पास में एक तालाब था. Pond means तालाब. Okay, so he went there. In the pond was a white lotus. Okay, और that pond के अंदर, वो तालाब के अंदर क्या था? The white lotus was there. Lotus पता है ना, कमल का फूल. Yes, so that was there in the pond. Around it grew round leaves. Okay, देखो, it is there in the picture. In the picture you can see that a big white lotus is there, and around that round green leaves are there. पता है ना, लोटस के आजू बाजू, लोटस के फूल के आजू बाजू leaves होते हैं. It should be in the round shape, or they are in round shape, or round shape में होते हैं. So here also in the picture you can see that a lotus is there, a butterfly is there, and that round leaves, green leaves are there around the lotus. So here also it grew round leaves. Okay, then अराउंड इट ग्रू राउंड लेस. उसके आजू बाजू कौन था? राउंड शेप में लीव्स थे. दे फ्लोटेड इन द वाटर. फ्लोटेड का मतलब तैरना. ओके, वो फ्लोट कर रहे थे ऑन द वाटर. ओके, दे आर नॉट इन द वाटर. वो लीव्स इन द वाटर नहीं थे, दे वर ऑन द वाटर, और दे फ्लोटेड ऑन द वाटर. वो वाटर के ऊपर फ्लोट कर रहे थे, तैर रहे थे. नाउ द बटरफ्लाई सेल्ड ऑन अ फ्लोटिंग लीव. सोनू वेंट स्प्लैश इनटू द वाटर. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? The butterfly slid on the water because the butterfly was flying here and there. So there he found a pond. उसको एक pond दिखाई दिया butterfly को, and in that pond white lotus was there. And around the white lotus the leaves, the round shaped leaves were there. Okay, so what did the butterfly do? The butterfly just sailed on the floating leaf. वो sail करना मतलब उसके ऊपर बैठ गया जाके. Okay, sailed on a floating leaf. Sonu went splash into the water. Okay, so Sonu also noticed that. Now butterfly went to that लोटस फ्लावर. वो फ्लावर लोटस के ऊपर जाके बैठ गया है, ठीक है, फ्लोटिंग लीफ के ऊपर. सो सोनू नोटिस दैट, एंड व्हाट डिड ही डू? ही जस्ट स्प्लैश्ड इनटू द वाटर. मतलब वो पानी में कूद गया. एंड और जैसे ही आवाज़ आई, जैसे द साउंड केम, ऑफ फ्लू द बटरफ्लाई. और वो बटरफ्लाई वापस वहाँ से उड़ गया. सो हियर ऑल्सो द सोनू फेल्ड टू कैच द बटरफ्लाई. फर्स्ट इट वॉज ऑन द रेड रोज पे जाके पकड़ने की कोशिश की. फिर वो जाके कहाँ पे बैठ गया? दैट लोटस के ऊपर. अभी लोटस के ऊपर उसको कैच करने की कोशिश की, तो वापस से ही फ्लू अवे. इट फ्लू अवे. ओके, वेयर वॉज इट? सोनू लुक्ड अप, he looked down. Near the wall was a peach tree. Okay, so now Sonu is finding him. Okay, now Sonu is finding that butterfly. So he is looking here and there. वो यहाँ वहाँ देख रहा है. Where was it? कहाँ चला गया था वो? Sonu looked up. उसने ऊपर देखा. He looked down. उसने नीचे देखा. Near the wall was a peach tree. Okay, so the garden was there ना. So garden में wall तो होती है. Yes, so near that wall one peach tree was there. Okay, peach पता है ना, आलू. पता है आलू खाती है ये लड़की, या ये गौरा करती है ना, that like girls used to eat this peach. Okay, so one peach tree was there. So it had pink flowers. Okay, and that peach tree was having pink flowers. उसके pink flowers थे. The butterfly sat on a pretty flower. You know that ना, butterfly loves the flowers very much. Butterflies को flower बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. Yes, they suck the nectar from that. उसका रस पीते हैं. So that is why now butterfly went to that pretty flower. Okay, that peach tree flower that was pink only. तो pink flower के ऊपर जाके बैठ गया अभी. I can catch you, shouted सोनू. सोनू ने बोला मैं तुम्हें कैच कर सकता हूँ. He climbed up the tree. Oh my God, पहले तो पानी में कूदा, अभी कहाँ चढ़ गया? पेड़ के ऊपर चढ़ गया वो सोनू. तो up he climbed, चढ़ा, ऊपर चढ़ा. But फिर क्या हुआ? Back it flew down from the tree. Butterfly was very smart. He was not coming into the hands of Sonu. Okay, Sonu was trying to catch it, but it was not coming to his hands. Okay, so here when Sonu climbed up to that peach tree, what did Butterfly do? Butterfly ने क्या किया? He again flew back. वो वापस से उड़ गया down from the tree. ऊपर से नीचे उड़ गया वो. Okay, Sonu jumped down too. सोनू वॉज वेरी स्टबन. सोनू भी बहुत ज़िद्दी था. तो उसने क्या किया? सोनू जंप डाउन, वो भी नीचे कूदा. ही चेज द बटरफ्लाई. नाउ चोर पुलिस जैसे चेज करते ना, पुलिस जैसे चोर को चेज करती, सोनू वॉज चेजिंग दैट बटरफ्लाई ओनली. ओके, सो नाउ ही चेज द बटरफ्लाई. उसका पीछे पड़ गया था सोनू बटरफ्लाई को कैच करने के लिए. फ्रॉम द रोज टू द लोटस एंड अप द पीच ट्री, बट he could not catch the butterfly. Okay, here beautiful lines has been given to you. From the rose the butterfly went to the lotus, and from the lotus he went to the peach tree. But here also he could not catch the butterfly. Sonu could not catch the butterfly. Okay, so now what is happening? Sonu could not see it at all. Okay, he looked everywhere. At last he saw the butterfly. Now butterfly flew. Butterfly तो उड़ गया, लेकिन कहाँ उड़ा? Now Sonu is searching it. अभी सोनू उसको ढूंढ रहा है दैट वेयर इज द बटरफ्लाई, वेयर डिड ही गो, कहाँ चला गया. सोनू कुड नॉट सी इट एट ऑल. सोनू को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. ही लुक्ड एवरीवेयर, उसने सब जगह देख लिया. एट लास्ट ही सॉ द बटरफ्लाई. ओके, एंड आफ्टर सर्चिंग अ लॉट, lastly he found again the butterfly. Now there was a big spider's web in the peach tree. Okay, it was there in the peach tree only, वो peach tree के ऊपर ही था. But what happened there was a big spider's web. एक बड़े से मकड़े ने अपना जाला बनाया था. देखो in the picture you can see that a big spider is that and he has made a one big web. वेब का मतलब जो जाल होता है ना. येस, यू नो द स्पाइडरमैन वेरी वेल, आई नो दैट. ओके, तो स्पाइडरमैन का कैसा वेब होता है, उसका मकड़े का जाला होता है. सो द सेम वे it was there. Okay, in the web was there in the peach tree. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. Okay, so accidentally what happened when butterfly tried to escape or tried to like go from that peach tree, accidentally he caught into that spider's web. वो किसमें फंस गया, वो मकड़े के जाल में, वो स्पाइडर के जाल में फंस गया था. The butterfly was caught in the spider's web. It looked sad as it tried to escape. Okay, now butterfly wants to fly away. Butterfly को बाहर निकलना था. He wanted to fly away. Okay, but what happened, he just caught into that और he just trapped into that web. वो वेब में फंस गया था, ट्रैप हो गया था. he want to escape. escape का मतलब होता है भाग जाना. okay, here he tried to escape. उसने बहुत ट्राई की. he tried a lot to come out of that web but it didn't success. okay, वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुआ. it fluttered its wings. now it is flutter करना मतलब अपने विंग्स को फटाफट हिलाना. okay, it fluttered its wings. उसने अपनी विंग्स हिलाई. it twisted and turned. उसे ट्विस्ट किया, टर्न किया, ऐसे 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 करके निकलने की ट्राई कर रहा है. okay, but it could not escape. okay, he failed to come out of that web. the spider's web held it tight. now the spider has like nicely he had made the spider had made the web. so that is why a butterfly, that tiny butterfly, tried a lot to escape from that web. okay, he twisted, he turned, उसे twist किया, turn किया, it fluttered its wings but the web was very tight. okay, the web held it very tight. the web held the butterfly very tightly. so that is why the butterfly could not escape. the butterfly could not run away. okay, poor butterfly, बेचारा butterfly. फिर क्या हुआ, in the middle of the web was a big spider. देखो in the picture you can see that a big spider is there in the middle of the web. it looked hungry. उसको बहुत भूख लगी थी. it wanted to catch the butterfly because he was hungry, so that he wanted to catch the butterfly. closer and closer crawled the black spider. now what the spider is doing, spider saw that one butterfly has been caught into my web. so now I'm going to eat it because I am very hungry. so what did that spider do, or what was that spider doing? that spider was coming closer and closer to that butterfly. ठीक है, because it was very hungry. the spider was very hungry. so what he was doing, he like was coming closer and closer to the butterfly. okay, closer and closer crowded the black spider. crowded का मतलब होता है ऐसे धीरे धीरे चल चल के आता है ना, क्राउड करता है. yes, so that is called crowding. so he was also crowding to the near to the butterfly to catch it, to eat it, उसको खाने के लिए. ठीक है, as it was very hungry. before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. okay, so crowded means धीरे 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 बढ़ना, आगे बढ़ रहा था. okay, before the hungry spider could grab it, Sonu ran and he caught the butterfly. wow, what a nice deed he has done. okay, कितना अच्छा काम किया उसने. so before the hungry spider could grab it, grab करना मतलब पकड़ लेना. okay, here he was like spider was very hungry. he wanted to eat that butterfly. that is why he was slowly and steadily crawling to the butterfly. वो butterfly के पास धीरे धीरे चल के आ रहा था ना. but before that spider could grab the butterfly, सोनू गॉट द बटरफ्लाई. बिफोर वो स्पाइडर उसको पकड़ता, उससे पहले किसी पकड़ लिया? सोनू ने पकड़ लिया. इट वॉज सो प्रिटी. इट हैड ब्राउन स्पॉट्स on its yellow wings. Now there is a description of the butterfly. How was the butterfly? So butterfly was very pretty. वो बहुत खूबसूरत था. And it had the brown spots on its yellow wings. It was having yellow wings and on that yellow wings black spots were there. Okay, छोटे छोटे ऐसे काले काले टिपके थे और उसकी जो पंख थी वो कौन से कलर की थी? विंग्स कौन से कलर की थी? येलो कलर की थी. सोनू loved the little butterfly. उसको बटरफ्लाई बहुत अच्छा लगा. बट इट लुक्ड सैड इन सोनूज हैंड. ओके, दैट बटरफ्लाई वॉज लुकिंग वेरी सैड इन सोनूज हैंड. सोनू के हैंड में वो आके इतना खुश नहीं था. ओके, सोनू wanted it to be happy. बट सोनू क्या चाहता था? दैट इट शुड बी हैप्पी ओनली. बटरफ्लाई शुड बी हैप्पी ओनली. सो दैट इज वाई व्हाट ही डिड, go, said Sonu. Okay, देखो Sonu was so kind. Though he loved the butterfly very much, he let it go. ठीक है, उसको इतना पसंद करता था because it was so pretty, like yellow wings. It was having yellow wings, like in the picture you can see that the butterfly is too cute and too pretty. Also it is having yellow wings. In that black spots are there. Okay, but he was not, the butterfly was not happy in that, in Sonu's hand. Okay, so Sonu noticed that. Sonu को पता चल गया that butterfly is not happy in my hand. So what he did, he said go, जाओ. ओके, फ्लाई अवे. ओके, आप चले जाओ. फ्लाई अवे मतलब दूर चले जाओ. ओके, ही लेट द बटरफ्लाई गो. सोनू ने क्या किया? ही लेट द बटरफ्लाई गो. उसने उस बटरफ्लाई को जाने दिया. एंड इट सैट ऑन द रेड रोज. नाउ अगेन द बटरफ्लाई इज फ्री. वापस से बटरफ्लाई फ्री हो गया. तो व्हाट इट डिड, इट फ्लू, इट सैट ऑन द रेड रोज. वापस से इट इज सिटिंग ऑन द रेड रोज. इट फ्लू टू द पीच ट्री. उड़ के पीच ट्री के पास गया. एंड देन सेल्ड ऑन द लोटस लीफ. वापस से वो लोटस लीफ के ऊपर जाके बैठा. इट फ्लू मैरीली फ्रॉम फ्लावर टू फ्लावर. ओके, दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ द बटरफ्लाई ओनली. बटरफ्लाई लव्स टू फ्लाई फ्रॉम हियर एंड देयर एंड एवरीवेयर. यहाँ वहाँ उनको मैरीली मतलब खुशी से, एकदम खुश होके उनको यहाँ वहाँ ऐसे फ्लाई करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. सो द बटरफ्लाई वॉज डूइंग द सेम थिंग. ओके, बिकॉज सोनू काइंडली लेट इट गो. ओके, ही सेड जस्ट फ्लू अवे, जस्ट गो अवे. And that butterfly was merrily, खुशी से, happily, it was flying from flower to flower. Sonu watched it fly and fly. Sonu ने देखा that butterfly is flying and flying merrily from here and there. Everywhere the butterfly flew all around Sonu's garden. Okay, पूरे garden में वो butterfly जाके आ गया. Happy and free once again. Once again it is happy. Once again it is free. Okay, accident happened with it. वो फंस गया था. अगर सोनू नहीं होता तो who is going to, और who had saved him, तो फिर कौन उसको बचाता? बट like luckily Sonu was there and he protected butterfly. Okay, उसने butterfly को बचाया. He saved butterfly and then he let it go. उसको जाने दिया. देखो, this beautiful story has been written by Nilima Sinha. Okay, you have to remember the poet's name also. So shortly I'm going to share the hard word sheet of this lesson. Okay, and the exercise sheet solution. You know that what you have to do, you have to write the hard words in the notebook and the whole exercise sheet in the notebook. Okay, chalo. So now we have ended our 5 lessons. Now your man is signing off. Beta, bye bye.